truck's on fire, buddy. Okay, I'm gonna try to cut these wires, I guess. You filming?
Yeah.
It's a 455 big block right there. Blue glove right there on it. Frick. Partially naked. Welcome back to the channel, folks. Now, if you even got a half-hour's decent memory on you, you may remember a couple weeks ago I exposed my small unit to the internet world.
Whoa, whoa. Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
Uh-oh. Here comes trouble.
Yeah, no kidding, bud. My mini plow truck, the absolute snowbank devastator. We dialed in, boys. Took her for a test run out in the yard there. And boy, did she perform. Woo, boy. You don't want to perform, buddy? You make it. So, no, there's only one logical explanation on what I should do next. If you're a thinking man, you might have put this together like a puzzle, okay? I need to take her to work, make a bit of money off her. Some of the brown ones, red ones, green ones, the good ones. Anyways, I did just that. But you know me, pal, I can't leave well enough alone, okay? I met him one time. He's a bit of a so I stay on his case. I just gave her the small, you know, the quick, dick, fast tune-up. Changed the Earl on her. A few other things. Now, being as this is a high-performance unit, we call this the Backsaver 9000, boys. Does the work of 2 shovel men with 1 small unit. Came to a real inspiration. Why would I save myself all this shoveling with this power unit, high-performance rig? But I'm what? I'm going to carry a bucket of salt around like a middle-grade, low-class peasant? Think not, folks. With a bit of work and some minor ingenuity, I was able to bust out another piece of equipment to join us on our parade, folks. Check this unit out. You see that, boys? Yeah, I turned a $20 seed spreader into a $500 salt spreader, pal. Money there. Woohoo! Little innovation. We cut this down, chopped it up. A few exhaust clamps modified as a trailer hitch. I took some parts of it, put those in the garbage where they belong, buddy. I don't walk behind this thing. I tug from in front, okay? Hey, if you didn't notice, I'll tell you. I just got this one bolt holding up the whole show, baby. Yeah, that's like that one block on the Jenga. You tug that sucker, she all falls. Oh, power move, boys. Modified the linkage a little bit there. She's functional, boy. Woo! It's a performing arts piece, pal. Multifunctional spreader. Full tune-up on the rig. Yeah. We're ready to go put a smackdown on these properties, buddy. Just like Will Smith at a Chris Rock comedy hour, pal. This is happening. Check us out. Check us out, boys. We are getting the job done, buddy. No question there. And we're looking good while we do it too, folks. But I've decided it's time to go full spread eagle, buddy. Like a centerfold on it. And you can see the quick deploy system, like a paratrooper I have on this gosh darn spreader unit, pal. 2 bungees holding that on there. Canadian zip ties. Those are 1 level above zip tie. It goes zip tie, bungee, ratchet strap way up top. Anyways, I decided to run ice melt in this sucker here. Rock salt may be a little too crusty. I could modify it some more. I could run anything through this with some modification, pal. But today, I got the ice melt, buddy. Simple, and it's plain, folks. So we're gonna give this thing a little bit of a test run. No question there, folks. Now, I did realize one thing I could have done to make this a bit better was put some deflectors on the sides to aim that salt boy. Because she's firing her off about 10 feet, yeah. She's throwing it back like one of them video girls in a ludicrous friggin' film, folks. No question, but I mean, she works. She did the job. I didn't carry the bucket around and spread. We decided we'd just ease this thing down the stairs afterwards, but with how well that went, I'm sure I could have just drove it down. Next time. Carrying on, folks.
That was good, eh? Well, try again.
truck's on fire, buddy. Okay, I'm gonna try to cut these wires, I guess. You filming?
Yeah.
You filming?
Yeah.
I'm filming. That was probably deadly close to melting the actual battery. I wonder what happened. Hot dang. I thought I could smell something. I come walking up and I hear fucking sizzling, eh? I'm like, what the hell is sizzling? Yeah, that wire right there was on fire. As soon as I cut that positive, the fire went out. So that's an electric fire. Well, I'm glad it didn't burst into flames up at the job site, boys. You know, I heard that them Chevys had, you know, some wiring troubles, but I didn't hear them. They were that bad, boys. Hot dang dog. Whew. Well, it looks like, boys, I really built myself a Chevy powered smoker here. Could have tossed a brisket in there, had sandwiches for me and the neighbors, buddy. But listen, I think of what happened is some chafing occurred there, just like in your pants, and my hot and my cold leads got to, you know, rubbing on each other like a couple newlyweds in there, sparking the fire of life, boys. Now you let me know in the comments, why do these Chevys light on fire all the time? Anyways, boys, we're back now. You seems we had a little malfunction with the unit, so yeah, I brought her up from the garage. We'll have to do a little bit of rewiring here, reconfiguring, probably put a rubber grommet on that hole there. Also, since I put these meaty beefers on here, that's bigger wheels if you're not a Canadian, she's experienced a bit of body rub, boys, blowing out 2 sections of the body right by the fasteners up front. Other than that, we're all right. So guess what? I got some ideas to dial this in. I picked up a couple bigger shock lasers, slam those on there, a little more clearance in, because guess what, pal? Yeah, her winter season's over, buddy. We're taking this sucker out summer mode now. No question there. So next time you guys see this, she's going to be in her full trail attire, buddy. Ready for a 3-day camping trip and a bass fishing tournament. No question there, boys. Yeah, there's a little spreader. You see her shining red. It's like a monkey's ring piece. Fully functional. Yeah, buddy. Well, thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget, leave us a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more friggin' chaos, buddy. Till next time, cheers, folks.